Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to find Facebook ID/username. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you 15 useful software you don't know exist. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. To just open the Facebook app, we open our profile. Here we tap on the three dots. Here under your profile link, you can see your link to your profile right next to profile.php/id. This is after the ID equals, this is your Facebook ID/username. Back in the days, you can use your Facebook ID to walk into your Facebook profile instead of typing your email. Now this option doesn't work anymore, but you can type your full name instead of email, so it's all work out. This is it about today's topic. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more. If you want to see the 15 software I mentioned at the beginning of this video, tap the link at the top of this video.